In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a take profit in TradingView. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each field means, and how to confirm your order with a built-in take profit so your trade can manage itself once price moves your way. Start by opening TradingView in your browser and loading the chart of the market you want to trade. Make sure you're signed in and connected to your broker or paper trading so the trade panel is available right from the chart. Next, click the Trade button on the chart interface. This opens the order ticket. Think of this as your command center. It's where you set order type, size, and risk parameters. If you don't see it, check that you're on a live or paper account connection. The button will appear when a trading connection is active. In the order ticket, choose the market option. A market order gets you into the position immediately at the best available price. This is helpful when you want to focus on setting the exit levels, like take profit, without waiting for a limit entry to fill. Now locate the Take Profit price section in the ticket. This is the field that tells TradingView where to automatically close your position in profit. If the Take Profit controls look grayed out, they're simply not enabled yet. Toggle the Take Profit switch to turn it on. You'll see additional inputs become active. This confirms the platform will attach the Take Profit to the order you're about to send. Enter the amount for your target. Depending on your panel layout, this may accept a direct price level, a distance, or a value tied to your symbol's quote currency. A reliable approach is to type the exact price at which you want your position to be closed in profit. Before you proceed, glance at your position size and estimated P&L so the target aligns with your plan. You'll also see an option related to ticks. A tick is the smallest price increment your market can move. Using ticks lets you define your take profit by distance instead of a raw price. For example, if each tick is 0.25 and you set 20 ticks, the platform calculates the exact price level for you. This is handy when you think in pip or tick terms rather than prices. When everything looks right, market order selected, take profit enabled, your amount or tick set, click buy to place the order with the attached take profit. After it executes, you'll see a take profit line on the chart. If needed, you can drag that line to fine-tune the level and the ticket will update automatically. That's it. You've set a take profit in TradingView, keeping your exits disciplined and your trading more hands-off.